Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, teachers and viewers, hope you are all fine and happy. Welcome to our channel Nomi and Its. The aim of this channel is the provision of educational material. Here one can find the latest educational videos of AFAQ Science series new based on single national curriculum 2021-22. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you. So my dear students, open your books, page number 26, and the topic is Crossing the Street. Kids, this is a poem written by poet Ruby Denton. It is about street crossing manners. There are some rules and manners about crossing this road or street. We should follow up them. Let's go to start from difficult words and their meanings. Corner, corner mean kona. Cross, cross mean par karna. Street, street mean gully. Sign, sign mean nishan. Safe, safe mean महफूज. Careful, मोहतात. Way, रास्ता. Careful way, मोहतात रास्ता. Friendly, दोस्ताना. Go ahead, आगे बढ़ो या चलो. And now English to Urdu translation. I walk to the corner to cross the street. मैं गली को पार करने के लिए कोने तक चलता हूँ. I wait till the sign says go. मैं उस वक्त तक इंतज़ार करता हूँ जब तक निशानी ना कहे जाओ. For this is a safe and careful way. क्योंकि ये महफूज और मुहतात रास्ता है या तरीका है. To cross the street, you know. गली को पार करने के लिए आप जानते हैं. The sign is a friendly fellow too. निशानी एक दोस्ताना साथी भी है. With its light of green and red. इसकी सब्ज और सुर्ख रोशनियों के साथ. The red sign means that I must stop. सुर्ख रंग का मतलब है कि मुझे ज़रूर रुकना चाहिए. The green says go ahead. सब्ज कहता है आगे बढ़ो, मतलब चलो. So I walk to the corner to cross the street. तो मैं गली को पार करने के लिए कोने की तरफ चलता हूँ. I wait till the sign says go. मैं उस वक्त तक इंतज़ार करता हूँ जब तक कि निशानी ना कहे जाओ. For this is the safe and careful way. क्योंकि ये महफूज और मोहतात रास्ता है. To cross the street, you know. गली को पार करने के लिए आप जानते हैं. Students, hope you have understand